Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about integers. And in this class, we are going to know about introduction of integers, representing integers on number line, addition and subtraction of integers, integers in real life, and at the last, we are going to do assessment. Now, students, have you seen the lift? Yeah, very good. Yes, you know that in the multi-story building or in mall, the lifts are there. Now, suppose you want to go to the first floor. So what you're going to do? Yeah, you press the button which are given in the lift. If you carefully observe the lift, you will see that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, and -3 is written. You all know that 0 resembles the ground floor, that it is ground floor. Now you want to move upward, first floor, second floor, third floor. It means that you are pressing the button positive +3. It means you are going upward. Similarly, what does -1, -2, -3 indicate? It indicates that below the ground there are 3 floors, or we can call it as basement is there. And we show it by the negative sign. It means that if you want to go up, we show it by positive sign. And if we want to go down, then we use it the negative numbers. And these numbers are known as integers. Yes. So positive number, negative number, and 0. All the 3 together make integers. It is denoted by the capital letter I. Now you see here, I've written here -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so what? These all are integers where the negative, positive, and 0 is there. Now, let us see in number line. Yeah, in number line, you will see that 0 is in the middle and the positive numbers are on the right side and the negative numbers are on the left side. Now, as we move from, as we move from negative to positive, it goes on increasing. So if you see carefully in minus here, you can see that -3 and -1. If we move from this side to this side, which come first? -3 come first. It means that -3 is smaller and the -1 is larger. Similarly, if we move again, now what happened? The 1 is coming first and 3 afterward. It means that 1 is smaller and 3 is larger if we are going to compare these numbers. Okay, yeah. Now, let us see more about it, how we can show it through pictures. Now, see here, students, here the natural numbers are written. And if we add 0 to it, it becomes the whole number. Yes. And if we add integers to it, what does it become? It becomes integers. Yes, it means that natural number, whole number, and negative number, they all combine together to form integers. Now, we will see it on number line. Okay. Yeah, see in the number line, I have shown you here, the 0 is at the middle and then the positive numbers are on the right side and the negative numbers are on the left side. And as we move from left to right, what happened? The numbers goes on increasing. And you will see that these numbers are just opposite to each other. It means that -3 is just opposite to 3. -2 is just opposite to 2. And this is also known as additive inverse. Yes, what we call it? Additive inverse. Okay, now let us see it in a number line again. Now see here the numbers are given. Now suppose I ask you what will be the additive inverse of -5. So what you're going to say? Yeah, you are going to say the opposite of -5 is, additive inverse of -5 is 5. Very good. Similarly, if I ask what is the additive inverse of 6, then what you're going to say? You will see here and you will say that it is -6. So we can say that positive number and negative numbers, they are just opposite to each other. And if you carefully observe, you will see that all the negative integers, they are smaller than 0. And all the positive integers, they are greater than 0. Okay, yeah. Now let us do some operation on integers. First, we are going to do addition. Now see, I have drawn a number line. You can see that, and here all the numbers are equally distributed. Here the two arrows you can see. Yes, if you see that this two arrow, it means that this number line can be increased on both the side. Now let us take one number. Yeah, suppose our number is 2 plus minus 6. Now you are standing at the 0. Now what happened? Plus 2 is written. It means that you are going to 2 step forward. Yeah, so I'm going to move 2 step forward. Now minus 6 is written. Minus 6 means we are going to do backward. We are going to move backward. So from here, I'm going to move 6 step backward. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What my answer? Yeah, minus 4. It means that 2 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 4. Okay, yeah, good. Now, let us take one more example. Okay, yeah. Now, suppose here when there is a girl whose name is Samantha. Now, Samantha walks 3 steps forward. So, what happens? She walks 3 steps forward. So, what will happen from the 0? If she will move to 3 steps forward. Okay, yeah. Yes, from 0, she will move to 3 steps forward. From here, 3. Now, what happened? Now, she walked 5 steps backward. Now, as she's moving back, that's why the answer will come in negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Where she reached? She reached at minus 2. Yes, why? Because here is the back of its initial point. So your answer 3 plus minus 5 will be equal to minus 2. Okay, yeah. I hope you have understand how to add integers. Now let us do subtraction on integers. Again, we are going to take a number line and a number. Now the number is minus 3 and minus 7. Now by the number seeing, you can understand that minus 3 written, it means that we have to move 3 steps backward. So from here, I'm going to move 3 steps backward. Now again minus 7. It means that again you are going to move 7 steps backward. So from here, we will move 7 steps. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what the answer? Minus 10. It means that minus 3 and minus 7 is equal to minus 10. Okay, yeah. So your answer is clear. The concept is clear. Let us take one more example. Now the number is minus 4 plus 6. So what we are going to do first? We are standing at 0 and we will move to 4th step backward. So from here we reach to minus 4. Now plus 6 is written. It means that we are going to move 6 steps forward. Yeah, so come on, just we move from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, now from the initial point, you move forward. It means that your answer will come in positive. So what your answer is? Your answer is 2. It means that minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 2. Okay. Yeah, I hope you have understand the addition subtraction of integers. Now we will see the use of integers in real life. Now student, this is a temperature measurement instrument. In it you will see that the negative numbers, 0, and the positive numbers are written. It means that when the sun rays goes on increasing or the heat goes on increasing, the temperature also goes on increasing. Here you can see the 40 degrees given. It means that it is a sunny day. But as the temperature goes on decreasing, the minus degree, it goes on freezing. Okay, yeah, and we show it by the negative numbers. So whenever anything is increasing, we show by positive integers, and whenever anything is decreasing, we show it by the negative integers. Now let's take one more example. Students, have you seen iceberg? Yeah, it's a iceberg, and the 0 degree mark, that is a sea level. Okay, that is a sea level. Now somebody asks you to measure the height of iceberg. This is your first iceberg, this is your second, and this is your third. Now you will see that we measured it from the sea level where the number is 0. Now from the first is 1 meter. So we will write here that our first iceberg is 1 meter. Okay. The second iceberg from sea level is 5 meter. So we will write that our second iceberg height is 5 meter. But you will see that the third iceberg, it is below the 0. So what we are going to write? The depth of third iceberg is -1 meter. Okay. Yeah. So in this way, we can use the integers in our day-to-day activity. So what we have learned, that the difference of two integers is always an integers. For example, just see here, if I am writing here, -3 plus 5 will be how much? Very good, it will be 2. Now you know that this is -3 is also an integer, -5 is also integer, and 2 is also an integer. I told you that 0 is less than every positive integer and 0 is greater than every negative integer. We have seen it in a number line, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. And in integer only, every number has an predecessor. Okay, yeah. Now, what if I've explained? How much you have understand? Let us take an assessment. Okay. Now, if you know the answer, write in chat box. What is the predecessor of 0? Think 0 minus 1 will be how much? A minus 1, B 0, C 1, D none. And if you have given the option A minus 1, it means that the answer is correct. What is the additive inverse of -3? 3, -3, -2, -1. Yeah, if you have given the option A again 3, it means that you are correct. And what will the sum of -3 and -2? Just see the number, you can imagine and you can tell. -3, -2, -5 or 5. Yeah, it's C -5. So students, I hope you have understand how to add and subtract the integers and the use of integers in our day-to-day life. Thank you.